You will hear a tour guide giving information about a wildlife park. First, you'll have some time to look at questions 11 to 20. Now listen carefully and answer questions 11 to 20. Welcome to the National Wildlife Park. Today's tour will take you through the main conservation areas where you'll see a variety of species in their natural habitat. The park was established in 1985 and covers over 500 square kilometers. As we start our tour, you'll notice the visitor center on your left. Here, you can find maps, information brochures, and souvenirs. Right next to the visitor center, there is a small cafe where you can grab a coffee or a light snack before we begin our journey. Now, as we move forward, you'll see the first conservation zone, which is home to the endangered red panda. This species is native to the Himalayas and southwest China. Due to habitat destruction, their population has declined significantly, and we are working on rehabilitation efforts here at the park. Further along, you'll see the savanna exhibit, where we house African elephants and giraffes. These animals are part of a global conservation project aimed at protecting wildlife from poaching and habitat loss. To your right, you'll notice our large lake, which serves as a natural habitat for various bird species, including flamingos and herons. We also have a breeding program for local fish species, ensuring the biodiversity of our wetlands. For those of you interested in the nocturnal wildlife section, we have a special exhibit featuring owls, bats, and other creatures of the night. This is located near the Research Center, which is dedicated to studying the behavior and ecology of these fascinating animals. Before we end our tour, we encourage you to visit the Education Center, where we have interactive displays and activities for children and adults alike. Our staff is always available to answer any questions you may have about our conservation efforts and how you can contribute to wildlife preservation. That concludes our guided tour of the National Wildlife Park. Thank you for visiting, and we hope you have a great time exploring the park further on your own. Now, you have some time to check your answers. That is the end of section 2. You now have half a minute to check your answers.